Anyone with gout can tell you how painful a condition it is. But many people, including some sufferers, don't know much about it. In this video, you'll learn what gout is exactly, how it develops, and what finally triggers a painful gout attack. And if you're suffering from gout yourself, you need to watch this video all the way to the end, where you'll learn where to get your hands on some new information that can help you get rid of your gout from home quickly and safely. Okay, so let's jump in. So what is gout? It turns out that gout is actually a form of arthritis that strikes again and again. A gout attack is hard to miss, since it involves excruciating pain, swelling, and redness in the affected area. And to make things worse, gout usually comes on quickly and without warning. Nighttime attacks are most frequent because the cooler temperatures make an attack more likely. And it's the cooler temperatures that can help dictate where you get gout. It's most commonly found in the big toe, but many people suffer from gout attacks in the nearby joints of their feet, ankles, and knees. That said, because gout usually occurs in the extremities, many people also have gout in their elbows, wrists, and fingers. How does gout develop? While a gout attack comes on suddenly, it's really caused by a buildup that can take quite a while to develop. It turns out the cause of gout is what's called uric acid. Uric acid is a normal waste product in the body. Under healthy conditions, your body dissolves it in the blood, where it's filtered out by your kidneys and exits whenever you go to the bathroom. But if your body is making too much uric acid, or your kidneys fail to filter enough of it out, then the uric acid levels in your body tend to build up. In some people, the problem stops here. You can have high levels of uric acid without any pain or other symptoms. This is known as asymptomatic hyperuricemia. However, if uric acid crystals begin to form in your joints, eventually you'll end up with a gout attack. What causes some people to develop gout is pretty complex. Doctors say there's a genetic component to it, but other things like diet or various disorders can cause uric acid buildup in the body. Regardless of the causes, gout isn't anyone's idea of fun. So if you're currently a sufferer of gout, chances are you want to be rid of it as soon as physically possible. On top of the physical pain associated with gout, there can be quite a lot of mental anxiety, since gout has a reputation of being difficult to treat. The good news is that's not really the case anymore. These days, there are ways you can get rid of your gout from home safely and quickly. This isn't the olden days. We're living in the modern era, and some of the best information is now available to you as a sufferer of gout. New studies are being done all the time to help you ease your suffering for good. There's a link on the screen and down in the description that will allow you to reach out and get some help. And the methods described will work in ways you could not have imagined just a few years ago. So if you're suffering from gout, don't let another minute go by before you check out the free information in the link below. It could all change for you starting today. Click the link below and ease your suffering today.